Drop it.
Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to share to you assignment operators. Now let's look at some of the terms. Assignment operators are used to assign values to a variable. It has two components, the left and the right side. On the left side, we have there the variable name, and on the right side, we place there the value. Take note that when you use the assignment operator, you must have the same data type, otherwise it would have an error. Now looking at our codes here, this section is our variable declaration. So we have declared A, B, C, D, E, F as integer. This is our assignment, okay? What we're doing is we are assigning a value of 10 to the variables that we have mentioned earlier, that is A, B, C, D, E, and then F. This section here allows us to print the values of A. So A is, this one here prints A, and then the value of A is 10. B, literal B will be printed out, or the text B will be printed out, in which case we're going to have the value of B, followed by C, D, E, and then F. Let's run our code. There you have it. So the output here is to display the value of 10 within the variables A, B, C, D, E, and then F. So that's it for assignment operators. Thank you for watching. Bye!